Good morning, students.
Good
Now
morning, ma'am.
we'll discuss about the topic of that is design thinking based broadcasting in the field of digital communication. So normally design thinking, as you know, it involves 5 stages. That is empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So you have to define your topic under these 5 stages. So the first part is empathy, where you are going to collect the problem statement of various broadcasting techniques. So that is called empathy. So the next one is define. In define, you have to define about the particular problem statement in the broadcasting. So the next one is ideate. You have to collect various ideas under the topic of broadcasting and you have to explain about the particular idea. That is called ideate. The next stage is prototype. So by combining all these 3 stages, you have to create a prototype which may be either hardware or a software. That is called a prototype. So the final part is testing. In testing, you have to test the if it is a hardware component, you have to check the project, you have to test the project. That is a testing here. If it is a software, you have to implement it using a various platforms, and finally you have to bring out the output. This is the 5 stages. So let us discuss about one by one.
So I am going to empathize the digital signal broadcasting. Firstly, in digital signal broadcasting, it consists of three stages like streaming platforms, mobile devices, and social media integration. In streaming platforms, the rise of platforms like Netflix and YouTube are shifted viewership from traditional television to online streaming. This allows the people to access wherever they want. And secondly, mobile devices. Mobile devices like smartphones and tablets have made broadcasting more accessible, and people can consume on the go, and leading to increase in the short form and finally the social media integration. In social media integration, it consists of both the online broadcasting channel and the engagement tool, and providing people to access wherever they want, and collects the information on real time basis. And next will be continued by Janisha.
I'm going to define about the topic broadcasting and digital communication. So we know that from traditional broadcasting we have shifted into online streaming platforms, and with this there are many benefits as people are able to access content online at any time, and it can also be accessed without ads. The time schedule also, it isn't like before days, they can watch it anytime, and we have various platforms to use all this. For example, it can be Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, YouTube, many more like this. And not only movies, but we can also access many content like short videos. Nowadays we have reels also, and then educational content, and many content can also be accessed. And we have these all sums up to the different options we are able to access. So now the ideate part will be continued by Nivedita.
I'm going to talk about the ideate of the broadcasting. New business models has three subdivisions: subscription-based models, hybrid model, and third one is crowdfunding and sponsorship alternating funding. About the subscription-based funding, it allows the users to access the services without any ads by paying subscription, which will generate an income to the stable revenue for the broadcasters. Second one is hybrid funding. It also allows the broadcasters to have the stable revenue by giving subscriptions to the services, and they also give certain tools to the content creators for creating the content and editing the video. And third one is crowdfunding and sponsorship alternating funding. Many digital creators have turned up to this funding to access the niche content. Prototype will be continued.
Okay, I'm going to talk about the prototype. There are 3 steps: content fragmentation, need of adaptation, and quality and quantity. The first one is content fragmentation. The audience are in various platforms, so The content is fragmented. The next is need of adaptation as the new technology trends arises and new platforms are upcoming. There is a need of adaptation. And next is quality and quantity, as there is pressure to convey more quantity, the quality is disturbed, and the testing will be continued by Lakshmi.
So let me discuss about the testing of broadcasting digital signals. So testing involves regulatory considerations and ethical considerations. So in regulatory challenges we face as the rise of digital platforms lead to many broadcasting and prompting discussions about media ownership. It shows about content standards and provides copyright issues. So in ethical considerations we will face of data privacy and misinformation leading to more false news.
So everyone has explained about the broadcasting topic with the help of 5 stages. So thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.